This is a model kit review of a very old model. It's one of the F-16 Fighting Falcons. It's by Kitech and it is 1/48 scale. And it's a very old model kit, as you can tell. It's had some water damage. And if we look inside, it almost looks like one of the older monogram models. Here's our fuselage with all raised surface detail. Here's our nose. The tail hooks molded in. Here's our wing, also with some raised surface detail. The underside of the wing. Here's our tail. We do have the pylons and weapons. The ventral fins here. Landing gear covers. Here we have our wheels and the air intake. Here's our cockpit. We have a pilot. And here's our fan, the engine, ejection seat parts, wheel covers, looks like a ladder. Here's our landing gear, some of the braces for the inside of the wheel wells. Then we have our fuel tanks and bombs as well as missiles. Here's the canopy. Here's the exhausts, some detail there, and some leftover pieces. Let's have a look over here. These decals have seen better days. We start off with our cockpit. Let's put into the fuselage, which is then put together. We have the brakes open or closed. Wings and exhaust are put together. Those are all then put on with the tail to the fuselage. The air intake's built. And the wheel wells are built, including landing gear. Fins are put on. Wheel well covers are put on. And the cockpit's then put together with the canopy. And we have our weapons and tank. As we'll put on. Here's a parts listing and the painting a decal guide. This is from the original first plane with the classic red, white, and blue. So very ordinary model. This one's had some water damage though.